Welcome to Poppins.
Hello viewers, welcome to poppins.in. Today we will be saying partywear dress materials. All these dress materials will be available in our website poppins.in. Every day we post new collections at 6:30 pm. You can place your orders through WhatsApp also. We accept all modes of online payment and we do free shipping all over India. Orders are shipped in 2 days of ordering. Viewers, kindly note there may be slight variation in the shades of the dress material due to the lighting we use for the videography. For reference, you can use the product picture in our website. If you are new to Poppins, please like, share and subscribe our channel to get regular updates. The first designer set in half white color. The fabric is premium cotton with beautiful Varli embroidery all over, with simple yoke and buttons. Let us see how the set looks. This is the front side of the top with completely Varli embroidery work done. We have simple yoke and buttons. Completely Varli embroidered. In the daman, we have embroidery work with pom-pom tapings. It's plain at the back. We have khadi cotton bottom for this in white color. It is matched with designer dupatta. So this is the dupatta for this, with all four sides from pom-pom tapings. The dupatta has cut work, patchwork and in the middle netted. It is a designer dupatta. It is a single color concept. This is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 1579. The next set of fabric in tissue silk cotton fabric in beautiful pastel green with Zardozi work, pearl work, bead work on the yoke, with simple yoke and neat work done. It is a partywear set. Let us see how the set looks. It is a tone-to-tone set. This is how the front part looks, with zari work, zardozi work and pearl work done on the yoke part. It is a kind of green and golden tissue all over. It is a designer set. We have silk cotton bottom for this and grouped with tissue silk cotton Banarasi weaving dupatta. Traditional Banarasi weaving dupatta with both sides zari borders. It is a dupatta with beautiful tassels. The cost of the set is 1749. The next designer fabric in slub silk cotton fabric in pink color. It is a kind of dual shaded fabric with heavy work on the yoke part. All these work are cut bead work and small bead work highlighting the yoke part. Let us see how the complete set looks. It's a kind of dual shaded fabric. It has self-own texture on it in pink color. The fabric is thin. It is a kind of dual shaded fabric in pink color. This is the yoke part. The work is neatly done. The beads are highlighting the yoke part. The fabric is very thin and it's neat lining. It has silk soft cotton bottom for this. and Banarasi weaving dupatta for this in antique gold color. Both sides of the dupatta are highlighted with the golden antique finish borders with small traditional woven buttis with fancy tassels. This is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 1749. The next set in silk cotton fabric in grey color. It is a digital printed fabric and attractive floral prints all over with simple yoke and fancy button. Let us see how the set looks. It is a kind of grey color with pink color floral prints all over. The fabric is very thin and it needs lining. It is completely a digital printed fabric with simple yoke and fancy buttons. Backside also floral prints are available. We have silk cotton bottom for this, teamed with chiffon dupatta. All over foil prints, embossed foil prints are printed. These floral prints are highlighted with the foil prints and all four sides tapings are provided. This is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 1079. The next design in premium Chanderi silk cotton fabric in pastel pink colors. All these are zari and sequence work with simple yoke and round neck. Let us see how the complete set looks. It is a kind of a party wear set and a single piece concept with heavy zari weavings in the front part. In pastel pink color, it is a Chanderi silk fabric with heavy sequence work and zari work in the front part. The leaves are highlighted with zaris and sequences with round neck and simple buttons. Simple tapings are in the daman. It is plain at the back. We have soft cotton bottom for this. Teamed with pure chiffon dupatta with stone work. It's a very light dupatta, very easy to carry. It's very soft in pastel pink color with fancy tassels. This is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 2049. The next designer set in denim blue color. The fabric is spun silk cotton fabric, a smooth fabric with vertical lines and applique work highlighting the yoke part. Let us see how the set looks. It's a designer piece and a single piece concept. The fabric is very soft and skin friendly. It has a simple yoke with vertical lines. The yoke is highlighted with the applique work and these applique works are highlighted with the cut bead work. This is how the applique work is done with vertical lines and printed pipings in the daman. We have soft light grey bottom. We have printed short width dupatta in spun silk cotton dupatta. The fabric is very soft. The fabric with patchwork and the leaves are highlighted with colorful prints. It is a short width dupatta and tapings are provided on all four sides. The cost of the set is 1399. The next fabric in slub silk cotton fabric in dark pink color. This is the yoke part with 4 mirror work with patola work on the yoke part. It is a kind of a fabric, very soft fabric. Let us see how the set looks. The fabric is lightweight and screen friendly too. This is how the front part looks with 4 mirror works, and the yoke part is highlighted with patola patchwork and 4 mirror work are done on the yoke part. In the daman we have contrast tapings. We have soft cotton bottom for this. And we have digital printed fancy silk cotton dupatta with attractive patola prints on it. Zari borders are provided on both the sides. It's again a single piece concept. This is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 1199. The next fabric in muslin silk fabric, which is a premium fabric in grey color with sequence work and simple yoke and mandarin neck. Let us see how the set looks. It is a very soft fabric, flowy fabric. It is a semi-stitched fabric with digital prints. These digital prints are highlighted with gota lace work, sequence work and pearl work. Vertical sequence run through the front side of the set. The sleeves are highlighted with gota lace and digital prints. This is how the sleeves look. The fabric is very soft and shiny. Backside also we have digital prints and sequences running throughout the backside of the set too. We have soft shantoon bottom for this, and we also have digital printed muslin silk fabric dupatta, very colorful fabric with beautiful floral prints all over and heavy sequence worked borders on all the sides, with gota lace tapings highlighting the borders. This is how the dupatta looks. This is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 2199. If you want to buy any dress materials in today's collection, you can buy it from our website www.poppins.in, and you can WhatsApp us for any queries.